Good morning everyone. So I'm back in the Algarve in Portugal again. It's going to be our last day here, so decided to come down to the beach here. This is actually the beach that I showed you guys on the first day, Praia da Rocha. It's like the best beach around here, maybe the best beach in Portugal. It'll be a hard beach to beat, that's for sure. It is pretty early, so right now it's almost empty. It's kind of funny seeing the beach this way because it's so big, like, but yeah, only a few people wake up this early in Portugal apparently. So yeah, we're just gonna spend a few hours here on the beach. I haven't really filmed this beach properly yet, so it's gonna be good. So we're just going to be going for a walk first. Here in the morning it's always cold. So yeah, around here, Praia da Rocha, you obviously have the amazing cliffs. But even on the beach, you have like these huge rocks. Has a little tunnel in it that you can go through. Check this tunnel out here. And then here you get to the other side. Found our spot here to chill out. Really nice here, really amazing place. Even near us there's caves. Don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little one here in the shade. And later on in the day when the tide comes up, you can't walk across all the beaches like we're doing now. So yeah, a lot of the beaches become pretty much inaccessible unless you like swim around. So yeah, you got to come early in the morning if you want to like just walk all the way down the coast like this. So that's why we came early today. All right, we're doing it. Carol's going first.
No, you're going first.
Come on, Carol. It's painful, right?
Yeah.
We did actually come in the ocean the other day at a different part, so yeah, I think first you just got to get your legs in, wait a while to get used to it, and then go all in. It's actually quite nice clear water though. Look at that. Jesus Christ. It's gonna take a while to get used to. Hypothermia. Incoming hypothermia. I think this is probably one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to though.
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah. And that backdrop, never get tired of that.
I think in Rio Grande do Norte, in Brazil, they have
beaches like this, right?
Yeah, similar.
Yeah.
I've never been to, but I heard it's beautiful.
Yeah, me and Carol one day need to go to the north of Brazil because, yeah, like she said, apparently there's landscapes like this and it's supposed to be warm water, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, loads of palm trees as well. So hopefully one day we'll have videos from there.
Yeah, north and northeast.
Northeast Brazil. now come to a historic place called Silves. It was about a 25-minute drive from Portimão. This used to be the capital of the Algarve. It no longer is, but it was one of like the most significant like historical places to visit around here. And I've been wanting to come because apparently there's a huge castle here, and yeah, I always like visiting castles, so I think we got quite a bit of walking to do, about 20 minutes, and then we should be at the castle. Here you have a nice river. You can also get here by boat, so that's another way to get here. Got an old bridge here. So besides the castle, it also seems to be like a very nice place to walk around, just like the majority of places that I've been visiting here in the south of Portugal. So we've arrived at the castle now, Castelo de Silves. It would cost about €2.80 per person to enter. Not sure if you can see it all, but it is quite a big castle, quite a big area here. We've already got some pretty good views of the city. So down there you can see the bridge that we passed on the way here. Get some pretty good views, don't you?
Yeah, the river.
Oh yeah. Here you can see there's an old church as well. Those of you that watch my videos in Seville and Cordoba in Spain, you remember that I mentioned that there was loads of buildings from like the times where the Arabs ruled this region. They used to call them the Moors. So this is the same, this castle is from that period, so people call it a Moorish castle, because it's a castle made by the Moors, the Arabs. So here we got some more of the ruins. So pretty much the only preserved part that still exists is the wall and the towers going around. Everything in the middle I think is just ruins, as you can see. Here you got an interesting part, so you can see like the Arab style architecture. Archway. There's Carol. So we just went to a really nice cafe down this like really old looking alleyway. Segredo dos Moros, I think that's what it's called. Secret of the Moors, which are the Arab people that ruled this area, like I mentioned. Some amazing views there though. And this place is just really nice. I said it was kind of like a lot of the towns we've been exploring around the Algarve, but I would say this is actually the nicest one so far. It's had the nicest buildings, and it's very colourful here as well compared to the other places. So you can see here we have some of the ruins of the old wall that would have protected the town. So I guess it would have been within there where the castle was and the church.
There's a tower.
Oh yeah, there's a tower back there. We're heading out now. It's kind of way too hot. It would have been best to come here a bit earlier in the morning, because yeah, it's just tiring, because it's basically up a hill, so you're kind of like walking up and down. And unfortunately this is my last video from the Algarve for this year anyway. Probably back here next year since my parents live here. There's plenty of other things to do, and tomorrow we're going to be heading up to Lisbon, so we're going to spend in 2 days there. So I'm not sure if that means I'm going to have 2 videos from up there. We'll see. So as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to support me, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you next.